Hi, Jim Wagner here. Several years ago, I was training the London Metropolitan Police in my knife survival course. I had a bunch of constables, and before I even started the class, one of the female constables said that she was taught only defend with the back of your hands in a knife attack if you're unarmed. And of course, I told her I didn't agree with that, and I asked her why. And she said, well, she was taught that if you get cut on the palm side, the underarm, you can't close your hands. But on the other hand, if you get cut on the backside, you can close your hands. Okay, she's right. And I'm going to explain that in a minute. However, I proved her wrong in the sense that the human mind is going to always do instinctive moves. So one of the things I do when people come up with something like that is I'll take an object. Usually I'm holding a rubber training knife to show them what I'm going to use in the class to attack them so they know that it's a safe exercise. So as they tell me something like that, and in this case she did, I suddenly threw my knife at her, the rubber knife, towards her chest area so I wouldn't hit her in the face. And what do you think she did? Oop! She reacted with her palms. She just put them up. Why? Because that's instinctive. When you see something coming towards you, whether it's someone throwing an object or someone coming at you with a fist or a knife, your instincts are to flinch, move back away from the threat, and if you have time, your hands come up. And of course, I proved to her right away that that's exactly what she did. So she's not going to automatically do this, even though she is correct on the anatomy. So your instincts are going to kick in. However, let's explain that, because if you're in a knife fight, whether you have the knife or you're unarmed and you're defending against it, you need to know the mechanics of what you can and can't do. To demonstrate how the mechanics of the arm work, the human arm, I have a replica of the tendon and muscle system of the human arm. Now, on the wrist side, or it's also known as the palmar side, these tendons here do control the closing tendons. They call them flexor tendons. And that is what makes your hand close, where you can make a fist, grab something, be it a knife, bottle, gun, whatever. And if you do get cut here, you won't be able to close. Now, on the back side of the hand, on the dorsal surface side, you have the tendons that if they're cut, now you can't open your hand. So that obviously is a problem. So if you look here on this side, this is towards the thumb, this is the radial side. And if you get that tendon sliced towards the wrist, you're not going to have the thumb manipulation, therefore not be able to probably hold an object. And of course, on the other side, on the little pinky, the little finger side is the ulnar side. And if you get that cut, you still probably could grip something, but you might lose that control on that part of your hand. So the whole point is, you get cut on any side of the hand, it could be problematic in a fight.